Hey guys, this is Eli. Today we're going to talk about how to mount a Superlite tent onto an aftermarket rack using our quick release mounts. So let's do it. So here we have all of the hardware that you'll need in order to install the quick release mounts on your aftermarket rack. Today we're using a Prinsu rack, and you're going to need the factory hardware that comes with your rack. Like I said, with the Prinsu, this is what came with it, so that's what we're using. We're also going to be installing the lock system that's compatible with the Superlite. Those are sold separately, but they'll come packaged like this. The quick releases will come packaged as such. And then as far as tools needed, we just need some blue Loctite and a 5/32 Allen wrench. All right, so you'll notice that 2 of your quick releases are labeled with an L. Those ones go on the driver's side of the vehicle. The ones without any labeling on them go on the passenger side. So we have already measured the distance from the center to center of the T-tracks on the Superlite, and then we've positioned our factory mounting hardware that were included with this rack at that distance. So now we're gonna go ahead and Loctite our 2 screws. And then we're gonna go ahead and lightly install these 2 mounting screws. Don't snug these down all the way quite yet until we're sure that we have everything in the right spot. So now we'll repeat that process for all 4 of the quick releases, and then we can go ahead and get our tent onto the vehicle. All right, so now that we have all 4 quick releases mounted and tightened down, we can put the Superlite onto the car. Again, double check your center to center measurement of the T-nuts on the quick releases and make sure that it equates to the center to center measurement of the T-tracks on the Superlite. Now that the tent is on the vehicle, we've positioned it front to back so that it still clears the tailgate and it's fairly centered over the vehicle. So now that it is properly positioned, we can go ahead and lock the quick release down. Now I'm going to show you guys how to install the Superlite quick release lock system. This is sold separately from the quick release and is sold in sets of 4. When you receive it, it'll be completely assembled, and all you have to do is insert the T-nut into the T-track, rotate it into place, push it forward onto the handle of the Superlite, lock it down, and you're good to go. Nobody's gonna be able to take the Superlite off of your car. All right, so now you guys have seen how to mount the Superlite tent to an aftermarket rack using the quick release mounts. Removing the tent from these mounts is just as easy. You just reverse the process and the tent comes right off. If you have any more questions about this or anything else, feel free to reach out to support@gfcengineering.com. We'll see you guys out there. So smooth.